Crunchy cucumbers, fresh from the garden, are in a league of their own. So if you're wondering whether to grow them or not, the answer should be a resounding yes. There are cucumber varieties suitable for growing outdoors or in the greenhouse. But if you're looking for a little bit of inspiration to get started, well, you're in the right place, because in this video, we'll show you how to grow your very own cool, crisp cucumbers. Outdoor cucumbers, also called ridge cucumbers, will tolerate cooler climates and are often spiny or rough to the touch. Greenhouse cucumbers form smoother fruits, but do need the extra warmth for success. Some varieties will happily grow inside or out. Pick a sunny, sheltered spot in the garden. Sow cucumbers from mid-spring into small pots of seed starting or general purpose potting mix. Sow 2 seeds about 1 inch or 3 centimetres deep, then water well. To germinate, cucumbers need temperatures of at least 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius, so place pots into a propagator for speedier germination, or simply wait till later in spring to get started. Once the seedlings appear, remove the weakest to leave 1 per pot. Greenhouse cucumbers can be planted into beds, large containers of potting soil or growing bags. If using the latter, plant 2 cucumbers per bag into bottomless pots set on top of the growing bag. These will help to trap moisture every time you water, instead of it running off over the surface. Put in place support such as bamboo canes, vertical wires, strong netting or trellis. Train vines up their supports, then pinch out the growing tips when they reach the top to encourage side shoots. The side shoot should be pinched out after each developing fruit to leave 2 leaves beyond each fruit. Feed plants every 2 weeks with a liquid fertiliser that's high in potassium and keep these thirsty plants moist at all times. Unless you are growing an all-female variety, remove the male flowers from greenhouse plants. This prevents bitter-tasting fruits. It's easy to identify female flowers by the slight swelling of the embryonic fruit behind each bloom. Outdoor cucumbers should be planted out when the soil has warmed in late spring or early summer. Gradually acclimatise plants for a week or 2 beforehand. A cold frame is useful for this hardening off period. In warmer climates, you can sow seeds in their final growing positions. Cucumbers prefer rich, fertile soil, so dig in plenty of well-rotted organic matter such as compost before planting. If you're growing your cucumbers upwards using support such as trellis, set plants about 18 inches or 45 centimetres apart. Or if you're leaving them to sprawl over the soil surface instead, plant them about 3 feet or 90 centimetres apart. Pinch out the growing points after 6 leaves are formed to encourage plants to produce fruiting side shoots. Climbing cucumbers may need tying to vertical supports, particularly as the heavy fruits start to develop. Another option for outdoor cucumbers is a cucumber frame like this. To make one, stretch wire or netting over a wooden frame and secure it into place using staples or U-shaped nails. Prop the frame up onto an A-frame of bamboo canes. The beauty of this type of support is that leafy salads like lettuce may be grown underneath to take advantage of the shade cast by the cucumbers. A clever solution for growing cool season crops in hot climates. Harvest cucumbers while they're still small and tender. Cut them free using a sharp knife or pruners. Pick often to encourage more fruits and, if you can, harvest in the morning while it's still cool. Gherkin varieties are picked very small, 1 inch or 3 centimetres long for crunchy cornichons, or 3 inches or 8 centimetres long for larger pickles. Cucumber and dill are perfect pickling partners and the ideal solution for summer gluts. Gluts of cucumbers are always welcome, it has to be said. Sliced into sandwiches or salads, pickled, or dropped into soothing summer drinks, I can think of plenty of ways to enjoy them. You can share your own cucumber recipes or growing tips in the comments section below. Better still, if you're new to us today, please do subscribe and join our lively, inquisitive and helpful band of happy gardeners. I'll catch you next time.